Welcome to the in front of me Realme 9, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So let's open the phone application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner and go to the settings section. Here you'll see the block number section. Tap once here, and now we can see that in my case we have here 2 block numbers. Now just to unblock one from these numbers, you should click only on this X icon, and to confirm your action by click to unblock. Now we can see here the message that our number has been unblocked successfully. By the same way we can unblock the second number. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.